There are billion worlds in billion galaxies which are uttering that we are not alone in the universe. For centuries, these worlds on exoplanets existed only in theory and science fiction. It seemed nearly impossible to detect these planets which are light years away, since they are relatively tiny and do not shine unlike stars. But what exactly are these exoplanets? Well, let's find out. Exoplanets are the planets that orbit a star other than our Sun. The prefix exo comes from a Greek word which means outside. These planets are far outside our solar system, and that is why were not discovered up till 1990s. Astronomers found first two exoplanets orbiting a dead star or pulsar in 1992, and after that they confirmed first exoplanet orbiting the sun-like star named as 51 Pegasi in 1995. The rate of exoplanet discovery has since climbed rapidly thanks to the development of three main detection techniques, which involves both ground and space-based observatories. As of today, astronomers have confirmed 4,395 exoplanets in 3,242 systems, with 720 systems having more than one planet. We were not able to see these alien planets before because exoplanets are several light years away from us. So unlike stars, exoplanets don't shine with their own light. Planets can only shine when light is reflected from their local stars. In contrast to stars, exoplanets are exceedingly dim. Even the largest of planets are drowned in the light of their vastly brightest star. That's why even the largest of exoplanets are too small to be glimpsed in optical telescope. The most successful planet hunting technique to date has been radial velocity, also known as double Hubble. Astronomers using this method look for star Hubble, which is nothing but the motion caused by gravitational tugs of orbiting planets. The more massive the planet, more tighter its orbit, thus there is a greater effect of Hubble on the host star. As a result, majority of discoveries made by this method have been larger planets near the local star, and that is why these exoplanets are called as hot Jupiters because of their large masses and close proximity to their parent star. Another method of detecting exoplanet is by using microlensing technique. Gravitational microlensing occurs when one star passes directly in front of background star as seen from Earth. The gravitational field of foreground star acts like a lens, magnifying the light of background star. The transit method is another popular method for searching exoplanets. The astronomers look for a periodic dip in star's brightness as an orbiting planet passes in front of star. Additionally, this technique can also be used to calculate planet's surface temperature as well as star temperature. NASA launched its Kepler mission in 2009, which uses the transit method to confirm more than 2,500 exoplanets. Monitoring more than 530,000 stars, the planet hunting spacecraft is the first build that is capable of detecting alien worlds. The Kepler Space Telescope was also able to find bunch of Earth-like exoplanets. This bunch also include 3 exoplanets which are likely to be best candidate for being potentially habitable. The detection of exoplanet is carried out by Earth and space-based telescopes. Although Kepler mission is no longer active, a new planet hunting spacecraft called as Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite or TESS is currently active in discovering exoplanet. In December 2019, European Space Agency launched spacecraft called as Characterizing Exoplanet Satellite, which is designed to better characterize already known exoplanets. The new generation of Earth-based telescopes such as European Extra Large Telescope will be able to analyze the atmosphere of exoplanet directly and identify the biosignatures such as oxygen and methane. The discovery of potentially habitable planet and advancement in space technology have made it sure that our ancient dream of finding life elsewhere in the universe may soon become a reality.